Human remains found in burnt cars in May confirmed to be of a missing St. Ann couple.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The St. Ann police have confirmed the identities of two individuals whose charred remains were found in two burnt vehicles in Haddon District, Monique, on Thursday, May 31st this year. They are 39-year-old Andre Wedderburn, otherwise called Ryder, and 21-year-old Celene Gordon, both of Cardiff Hall, Runaway Bay. The results of forensic tests provided to the police late last month confirmed that the bodies were those of a couple from Runaway Bay, St. Ann, who went missing on May 3. The corporate communications unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force had reported at the time in a release about the couple's disappearance that contact was last made with Wedderburn and Gordon on Wednesday, May 2nd. The police also stated that efforts to make further contact with them had proven futile. Their mode of dress at the time they went missing was unknown. 28 days later, a farmer was on his way to his field in a section of Haddon District in Monique when he came upon two burnt-out vehicles sometime after 11 a.m. The police were alerted, and during their processing of the scene, the two human remains, later identified as Wedderburn and Gordon, were discovered. A post-mortem that was conducted on the remains in June did not establish the cause of the couple's death. DNA samples taken from the relatives of the couple were subsequently submitted to the forensic lab, which confirmed a match with the bone samples of the deceased individuals.
You know, it's teach them the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
Meanwhile, an investigation remains ongoing to determine the identity of the charred remains of another man who was found in a burnt-out vehicle in Claremont, St. Ann on Monday, May 28. It was theorized that the burnt body was that of a well-known radio journalist and disc jockey from the corporate era who was reported missing prior to the discovery. Residents in Claremont had discovered the burnt Nissan Tida motor car at about 9:30 a.m. and the police, who were summoned, later found the charred remains in the trunk of the vehicle. The police revealed that the car was rented on May the 20th for 2 days by a male in the corporate era. The vehicle was reported missing on May 27 at the Matilda's Corner police station in St. Andrew.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.